We all see Seattle's skyline every day. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to live up there? Today, we're about to find out. Can you imagine the elevator goes directly to your penthouse? We are now on the 30th floor and this is basically your home. So like you can see, there are a lot of renovation that the seller put in. The mosaic floor and then also a lot of molding that when we go in, you will see more of those that throughout the house, very luxurious. And then of course, this chandelier is absolutely the first thing I saw. Is designed by our local artist, Jason Christian. It's a dragon chandelier, very luxurious. And then here is a screen where you can definitely put in some beautiful pictures or a picture of your home. And then here we are in the main home. So coming to the house, this is basically the beautiful foyer of the home. And when you come in, you can already see all the beautiful skyline and the water view from the big windows there. But before we get into that, let me show you the powder room, one of my favorite rooms in this house. So here is the handmade, beautifully designed wallpaper, and you can actually feel it, very luxurious. And then this is the same Moroccan kind of design. Light fixtures, they have all the lights also underneath this countertop. And then of course this corset, beautifully designed sink. I used this before. So nice and so big, and I love the color of it. So going out of that powder room, here is a huge art that I actually noticed when I came in to this house the first time. And I think this is very special. And on the right hand side, here is a bar and it's quite spacious. Of course, they use this metal countertop and then also a beautiful background lighting behind this wall. So at night, you can drink some wine and enjoy all the great atmosphere of this bar. And here is an office area. Of course, they have beautiful view from this room. From two sides of the room, you can enjoy the view. And then on this side, they have this custom designed cabinets and then shelves for your art, for your books. And this is a spacious area as well. If you want more privacy, you can actually push this door all the way to the side and then lock it. You have all the privacy you want. And now let me show you the chef's kitchen in this beautiful penthouse. So this kitchen is everybody's dream because you are actually looking at the main view of this penthouse. So when you are cooking, you just enjoy all these beautiful views. On top of this huge island, here is another Jason Christian designed Chihuly piece. So they call it the yo-yo Chihuly chandelier, and I really think it's very interesting and very modern too. And of course, all the appliances are very impressive. They are either Wolf, Sub-Zero, Mealy. So this gas stove is commercial grade and they have two dishwashers, also a lot of cabinets to store all your tools. And then the Sub-Zero fridge, of course, is one of my favorite. And this is a huge fridge as well. Can you guess what's behind this wall? You would think there's nothing, right? But every luxurious home has a room that's behind a wall. And here it is. You probably won't even imagine in this, basically what we call a walk-in pantry, they actually put in so many designs. So all those dark green beautiful paint all the way through this room, you can just use it as a storage. They of course have a wine cellar as well and another fridge in this room. And here is their utility room. So when you come in, they have the beautiful wallpaper as well. And here are their 2 sets of washer and dryer. Both are mini. I really like the design. And then here is the entrance of the service elevator. So there are 2 elevators that can go directly to this room. Of course, the servant, the nanny, or contractors, they can use this entrance. Right in front of the chef's kitchen, here is their family room. This is a massive place. You can put in, big couches and chairs. You can never fill this place up. Of course, you can sit here and enjoy the view, but if you also want to watch TV or movies, they actually already got the projector installed right there. So when you want to watch that, the built-in screen will come down, and they have all those surrounding speakers already built in as well. And the blinds will close. Now, here is your home theater. This is really cool. And here we have access to the balcony. There are 2 balconies. Let's check this one out. Look at that. And this is not even summer. This is just November Seattle. Great Puget Sound view and the Seattle skyline. The Space Needle is right there as well. Just imagine at night, you can enjoy your wine, you enjoy the fire, and then looking at this beautiful view every night. How cool is that? So after looking at those beautiful views, here we are right in front of the primary bedroom. So this corner is very interesting. Now they actually use it to display their arts. Of course, if you want to really use the space, I think you can definitely put in a piano, or you can make it another library or office. Let's go check out the primary. And now we're in the primary bedroom. So I really like the design because when you walk in, you don't really see the bed, right? The messy room. You see this beautiful view of Puget Sound. And of course, this area, I really like the design. You can make it another office, or you have a little baby. This is where you put your baby stuff, or you can just put a long couch just like them, and then you can just lie down there and enjoy the view. And here is the main area of the primary. Of course, you can put in a king-size bed with 2 nightstands, and they put in this beautiful, luxurious wallpaper everywhere. Make this room really, really cozy. And here again is this ceiling to floor, beautiful windows where you can enjoy the views. So just imagine every morning you open your eyes and this is what you see. And now we are in the primary bathroom. So when you walk in, this is a French door, glass French door. And then you open the door, this is a very spacious area. So here is the double sink with a marble countertop, and they have all the lightings and then cabinets all designed for you. And of course, for ladies, this is where you put on all your makeup. And here is one of my favorite spots. Basically, this is a shower plus a bath area, and then you just close this glass door, and this is all your resort-like experience. And of course, this is more like a Japanese style, which I really enjoy. And here is this beautiful window glass where you can actually see through and see all the views. And of course, when you are actually taking the shower or bath, you don't want people to see it. So you can actually turn it into a glass where you cannot see through. This is so cool. And last but not least, this is their walk-in closet. And I think every lady like myself who loves shopping would want something like this. So beautiful paint, like the piano paint. This is so luxurious. And they have all the light fixtures already built in those shelves. So you can put in all your bags and then shoes, all your luxurious designs here. This is so beautiful. So after looking the inside of the home, now we are standing on the balcony and you can actually see how good this location is. In front of me is the Space Needle, and then on the left is Pike Place Market, and on the right side you actually see Amazon's big boss there. So this is so centrally located. It comes with 4 dedicated underground parking space, which is so crucial to have in Seattle. And of course, in this house, the seller spent over $5 million on all those upgrades. And then MB Design, the local company, helped them to design this masterpiece. I really love how spacious this home is and this beautiful view, so impressive. Of course, in this building, you can enjoy the gym, the theater, and then endless pool and jacuzzi. This is the place you want to be if you want to live in Seattle. We really appreciate Michael and Mark, the listing agents, giving us this opportunity to shoot this masterpiece of their listings. And if you're interested in this home, you can contact us, or if you're interested in Seattle, give us a call. We're here to help. I'm Maggie. See you in the next video.